So hello everyone, I'm Kriti Manasa from CS Academy, Erode, and I'm here at Regional Science Center for my telescope construction and a lot of other summer camp activities, which is by the staff members of Open Space Foundation, which was truly a great experience. So in the beginning, we started with the theoretical explanation of how the universe works, the clouds, the sun, the stars, and everything. It was truly a very informative session. And after that, we had a FAQ session where questions were thrown endlessly. There was a time where we thought we would never get over it, but we successfully got over it. And next, we had our hands-on experience on constructing an actual telescope, which can be used to look at the moon, the Jupiter, and a lot of other stars in the sky. So we started with learning the parts of the telescope, which was indeed a very truly informative, and it was highly recommended for you to also join this summer camp. And after that, there were a lot of chaos, and we thought we would never get over this, but at the end we created 10 successful telescopes, and I'm truly grateful for Open Science organization and also Regional Science Center for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.